You've probably eaten eggs your whole life, scrambled, boiled, maybe an omelette. But around the world, eggs can be sweet, spicy, deep-fried, and even aged for months. Some look completely normal, others don't even look like food at all. So today, we're exploring 10 egg dishes from around the world, and by the end, you might never look at eggs the same way again. Eggs are one of the most versatile foods on Earth. They're cheap, packed with protein, iron, calcium, and found in almost every cuisine. But what makes them really interesting is how differently each culture transforms the same simple ingredient. From street food to fine dining, these dishes tell stories about tradition, technique, and taste. So let's travel across the world, one egg at a time. Our first stop is Japan. Japan is known for its unique and authentic food. Japan's signature egg dish is called Tamago, a Japanese rolled omelette. At first glance, it looks simple, but making it perfectly is actually very difficult. Thin layers of egg are cooked one at a time, then carefully rolled into a soft, layered block. But here's the twist, Tamago is slightly sweet. Sugar and soy sauce are added, creating a balance of sweet and savory flavors. It's often served with sushi, and in many Japanese restaurants, it's considered a test of a chef's skill. Now let's go to China, where eggs can look completely unrecognizable. This is the century egg. Despite its name, it's not actually 100 years old. Instead, it's preserved for several weeks or months using clay, ash, and salt. During this process, the egg transforms. The yolk turns dark green and creamy, while the white becomes a translucent, jelly-like amber color. The flavor is strong, earthy, and slightly ammonia-like. For many people, it's a delicacy. For others, it's a challenge just to take one bite. But it's a perfect example of how preservation can completely change food. Next we head to Turkey. Turkey's signature egg dish is called Menemen. Menemen is a warm, comforting dish made with eggs, tomatoes, green peppers, and spices. Everything is cooked together into a soft, slightly saucy scramble. Unlike dry scrambled eggs, Menemen is juicy and rich, with the eggs blending into the tomato base. It's usually served hot, straight from the pan, with fresh bread on the side. Now to France, home of one of the most refined egg dishes in the world. The French omelette. This isn't the thick, brown omelette you might be used to. A true French omelette is pale, soft, and slightly creamy inside. There's no browning, no crisp edges, just a smooth, delicate texture. It's all about technique. In fact, many chefs are judged by how well they can make this one dish. Because sometimes, simplicity is the hardest thing to perfect. Now let's come to India, where eggs are full of bold flavor. The Masala Omelette is a street food favorite. Chopped onions, green chilies, tomatoes, and fresh coriander are mixed directly into the eggs. Add spices, a bit of heat, and cook it on a hot pan until it's slightly crispy on the edges. The result? Spicy, savory, and packed with flavor in every bite. You'll often find it served with bread or tucked inside a sandwich. Simple ingredients, but an explosion of taste. If you like what you are watching, kindly subscribe and like the video. Now to the Middle East. Middle East dishes are known for unique taste and authenticity. Their signature egg dish is called Shakshouka. Shakshouka is a dish where eggs are gently cooked in a rich tomato and pepper sauce. The sauce is seasoned with garlic, spices, and sometimes chili, then the eggs are cracked directly into it. They cook slowly, soaking up all that flavor. The yolk stays slightly runny, mixing perfectly with the thick, spicy sauce. It's served straight from the pan, usually with bread for dipping. It's simple, comforting, and incredibly satisfying. Next stop, Scotland. The Scotch egg is a boiled egg, wrapped in sausage meat, coated in breadcrumbs, and deep-fried. On the outside, it's crispy and golden. On the inside, soft and rich. It's often eaten as a snack or picnic food, and it's surprisingly filling. It's not light, it's not subtle, but it's definitely satisfying. Next we move to Philippines. Now here's one that might push your comfort zone. Balut, from the Philippines, is a fertilized duck egg that's partially developed before being cooked. It's usually boiled and eaten directly from the shell. Inside, you'll find a mix of broth, yolk, and developing duck embryo. It's commonly sold as street food and often enjoyed with salt or vinegar. For locals, it's a normal, even nutritious snack. For others, it can be intimidating. But it's a powerful reminder that food is deeply cultural. Now to Italy. The land is known for food. A frittata is like a thicker, heartier version of an omelette. It's made with eggs, vegetables, cheese, and sometimes meat. Instead of folding it, it's cooked slowly and often finished in the oven. The texture is firm but soft inside, almost like a crustless quiche. It's simple, versatile, and perfect for any time of the day. Finally, Mexico. Their signature egg dish is called Huevos Rancheros. Huevos Rancheros is a bold and flavorful breakfast dish. Fried eggs are served on tortillas and topped with a fresh tomato chili sauce. Sometimes beans, cheese, or avocado are added on the side. It's spicy, rich, and full of texture. A meal that doesn't just wake you up, it hits you with flavor. Same ingredient, 10 completely different dishes. From sweet to spicy, simple to extreme, eggs might be the most versatile food in the world. So next time you crack an egg, just remember, you're only seeing one version of what it could be. Let me know in the comment section if there is a unique egg dish from your country which I missed to cover. If you enjoyed this, there's a whole world of food waiting to be explored. And trust me, this is just the beginning. Kindly like and subscribe for more videos.